Morning, student. Today I am going to conclude the chapters, and last topic of this chapter is preventions and control of drug and alcohol abuse. So let us see preventions and control. First point, avoid undue peer pressure. Every child has his own choice and personality, and hence he should be respected and nurtured accordingly. So, they should not be forced or make pressure to perform beyond their threshold limits for sports, studies, and other activities. So, now do not force them. Next, educating and counseling. By the process of education and counseling, we can also provide the preventions and control these activities. Children should be educated and counseled by teachers and parents to face problem, stress, to accept disappointments and features as part of life. Involvements in extracurricular activities is a good distraction from daily stress. So now it channelizes the child's energy in right directions. So these are the preventive measures. Then seeking help from parents and peer. In case of any problem like education, like academics or emotional problem, advised and appropriate guidance should be sought out from their parents and trusted friends. Besides solving problem, it also helps the youth to vent out their feelings of anxieties, fear and guilt. So these are the preventive measures of drug abuse. Next, looking for danger signs. Danger signs. Parents and teachers should be careful enough to look for and identify the danger signs, and if there it should be brought to the notice of parents so that appropriate measures can be taken to diagnose the malady and underlying causes. This helps in preventives the persons from drug abuse and initiating remedial steps. And last, seeking professional and medical help. Seeking professionals and medical help whenever required. It may help form of doctors, psychologists, psychiatrists, re-addictions and rehabilitations programs, and with sufficient willpowers. An addicted person can get completely rid of the problem and lead a perfectly normal and healthy life. So by which way we can also provided the preventions and controls of drug and alcohol abused persons. This is the best method for their preventions. So now we discuss the microbes are helpful in the human life. How microbes helpful in human life? So now discuss microbes in industrial products. A variety of microbes is used to synthesize a number of products valuable to human beings in industries like beverages, antibiotics, etc. Microbes used in chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules. Microbes are being used for commercial and industrial productions of certain chemicals like alcohol, organic acid, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules. Organic acids produced by microbes. Make a chart. Organic acid and microorganisms. Organic acid like citric acids. It is prepared by the Aspergillus niger, that is a type of fungus and group of the microorganism. Acetic acid. It is prepared by Acetobacter aceti, that is also a bacterium group of bacteria and microorganism. Butyric acid, Clostridium butylicum, these are also a type of bacteria belonging to the group of microorganism. Lactic acid, which is produced by the lactobacterium. It is a type of bacteria belonging to the microorganism. So in this way, microorganism helpful for organic acid productions. Then enzymes and their functions. The enzymes like lipases used in detergent formulations. They are helpful in removing oily stains from the laundry. So it is utilized by the washermen in the laundry. Next, pectinases and proteases used in bottled juice for cleaning juice. So, pectinase and proteases used by bottle containing juice for their clearing. Next, streptokinase. It is obtained from genetically modified forms of bacterium, Streptococcus. Bacteria involved for streptokinase is Streptococcus. It is used as a clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessels of heart patient who have undergone myocardial infractions leading to heart attack. So these are the way of streptokinase which is useful for human beings in the myocardial infarctions, especially for heart attack, and the persons who suffer from heart disease, as well as it is also a clot busters, that means removing clots from the blood vessels. So a genetically modified form of bacteria known as Streptococcus is used to form the enzyme streptokinase. Next, bioreactive molecules and their usage. Microorganism helps for bioactive molecules productions. Cyclosporin A, which is a type of fungus known as Trichoderma polysporum, which is from cyclosporin A. It is used as immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patient. So cyclosporin A is used for those patients where organ transplants takes place. So it is used as immunosuppressive agents. Now statins. The another bioactive molecule is statin. It is formed by Monascus purpureus. It is also a group of fungi like yeast. It is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. It is blood cholesterol lowering agent. It acts as by competitively inhibiting enzyme. Competitively inhibiting enzymes responsible for cholesterol synthesis. Now microbes as biofertilizers. Microbes are used in fertilizers. Biofertilizers are the microorganisms which enrich biofertilizers are the microorganisms which enrich the nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, sodium, etc. Nutrients like quality of the cell, of the soil, quality of the soil. Bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. Bacteria, fungi, cyanobacteria are the three main sources of biofertilizers. Bacteria as biofertilizers. Bacteria as biofertilizers. fertilizers. Rhizobium is a symbiotic. Rhizobium is a symbiotic associations with bacteria. Symbiotic bacterium that lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants and fixes atmospheric nitrogen into organic compounds. Azoospermillum and Azotobacter are free-living bacteria which absorb free nitrogen from soil, air, and convert it into salts of nitrogen and enrich soil nutrition. So these are the rhizobium, azoospermillum and azotobacters are the organism microbes which helps for biofertilizers. Next, fungi as biofertilizers. Fungi as biofertilizers. Fungi from symbiotic association. Fungi from symbiotic association with the root of higher plants called mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is best example for glomus. Fungi is glomus. The fungal hyphae absorb phosphorus from soil and passes to the plants. Passes to the plants. Mycorrhiza are benefited for plants in the different way. Mycorrhiza are benefited for plants as resistance to root-borne pathogens. It is resistance to root-borne pathogen. Second, tolerance to salinity. Salinity and drought. And third benefit, overall increase in plant growth and development. Thank you.